If you're looking to sew elastic onto fabric, you're looking for a multiple point zigzag. So from your straight stitch that's 2 notches over, and use the black stitch here. Stitch length might range from 1 to 2, and I like to usually select the widest width. So at the top here, I have a width set at 6. And it does depend on how wide your elastic is. So if you're working on something a little narrower, maybe only go up to 3 or 4 millimeters wide. As you sew, traditionally your elastic is shorter than the fabric you are stitching on. So you're going to stretch that as you stitch. And the multiple points of the zigzag are really connecting with the elastic so it can easily stay in place as it's stretched. The result is a perfectly stitched zigzag with an option to go ahead and fold it over and top stitch in place. You could even use a twin needle for a nice professional looking finish.